Welcome back to Sammy's Collectible Toys Haul. Sammy's busy playing Nintendo Switch right now, so I'm doing this video solo. So this is our second edition to Zeta Toys Aerial Bots Skystrike. You guys will probably know him from the G1 series, better known as Air Raid. So this is the second edition we have added to our collection. So let's unbox them. And as usual, Zeta Toys, when you unbox it, comes in the airplane mode. So he is an F-15 Boeing, okay? Great looking jet. I love the aerial bots. Zeta Toys is really good with their color schemes. Like I mentioned, part of it is die cast. It's not full plastic, so there is a difference between these and the Hasbro Transformers. You're going to pay a little bit more, but you won't be disappointed with these. They're really sturdy, very posable, and very cartoon accurate. So look at that. That looks great. Honestly, the aerial bots are so super cool. All right, here he is in Transformer mode. So as you know, he was Air Raid. They call him Skystrike because of the third party. I'm collecting all 5. I got 3 more to go. They're on pre-order. This is the second one. We did the down thrust before, so you guys want to check that out. Looks great. Like, he's very posable. I like the dual guns. His face looks accurate. The red trim on him is great. The black wings fold nicely on the side there. Like I said, a very posable figure. Zeta Toys does an absolutely outstanding job in maintaining cartoon accuracy, comic accuracy, and that's what I think a lot of collectors will be drawn to this. So this will run you about probably around $60 to $70 US dollars, but well worth it. These are mini ones. The bigger ones are about $150, but I like the aerial bots. I like their size. Look at that. It looks great. Look at the scheme on it. So love it. So anyway, here comes the transformation part. I'm not going to even talk about it. You guys watch how it's transformed. It's brilliant. Well, that was the transformation, guys. As you can see, it's pretty standardized. It's quite simple. Just follow the steps there. Not overly complicated. Again, Zeta Toys does a good job with them. Very sturdy. I give this a 9.5 out of 10. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let us know what you think of the Zeta Toys Transformers. Okay, guys? Have yourselves a great and safe night. Take care.